Hey everyone, welcome back to Pine Hollow Auto Diagnostics. So, remember the Saturn? The one with the EGR valve that was stuck open? Well, I'm trying to sell it, and you know, it's been sitting for about a week. I just haven't had time to deal with it. I wanted to pull it out, shoot some photos, you know, put an ad up on Craigslist to maybe you know, ship it down the road. But I go to crank it this morning, and you wouldn't believe it, but let's see. Oh, what the heck, this car does not want to leave. Maybe the owner did the right thing and got rid of it, because it's a crank no start. It was just sitting here. I mean, it's rained quite a bit over the last few days, but I mean, I even filled it up not too long ago. I got the air conditioner working. It's ready to sell. Crank no start. Where do we go from here? Good thing it's broken down right at the shop, right? We don't need to tow it anywhere, except for maybe inside the garage. But I don't know, what are the symptoms? I don't see any RPM. The compression sounds good. What do you want to do? Plug in the scanner? Or a lot of people say, Ivan, why don't you just check the basics, like the fuses or the spark or something? I guess we could do that. You want to start by checking the spark? I'm pretty sure we won't have any, but you never know. Let's do that. Let's put a spark tester on this thing and crank it over. Doing a little visual inspection under the hood. What the hell is this? What is all this? Someone chewing on the hood blanket? Oh man, looks like we might have some wiring problems. Uh-oh, right there. I see broken freaking wires. That's not good. Ah, damn it. Down there. Who knows where they got to? And see, those wires go to, I assume, our ignition coil. Yep. So maybe we do have no spark. Do we need to put a spark checker on this thing? Right there, look at that. That connector. We just have some wires hanging out. That's cute. Very nice. Damn rodents. Let's see if we can unplug this guy. Single-handedly. There's your problem, lady. Oh, look. We already have a butt connector here. I wonder if this is their favorite place to chew. Unfreaking believable. Well, looks like I got my work cut out for me here. What the heck? I mean, seriously? They chewed like the freaking radiator foam? Maybe I won't post this video until I sell the car. We got some cleanup to do, some wires to fix. Hopefully this is the only wiring harness that they really got to here, is the ignition coil. But who the heck knows? I see some damage down there. Right down there. Right down here. Oh, it sucks. We'll disconnect the battery and start doing some wiring repairs. Alright, we got these ignition harness wires all taped up. I'm going to wrap these in electrical tape. But for now, I just want to see if this car will run. So I'm going to plug this in. Alright. Come on, Saturn. Alright. Nope, should probably connect the battery first. Okay, now battery's reconnected. Sweet. That's what I'm talking about. Damn groundhogs. Alright. I like that. So, that's it for this one. I'm definitely going to put this on the market very soon before this happens again. And I appreciate you guys watching. Remember, check the basics. No scanner required on this one, right? Alright, see you next time. Bye-bye.